Keeping your car clean can feel like a never-ending battle, especially with kids, pets, or long commutes. But when it comes to choosing the right vacuum, the big question is, cordless or wired? Which cleans better? Today, we're breaking down the differences in suction power, convenience, and runtime to help you make the best choice for your car. Let's start with suction power. Wired car vacuums usually deliver stronger, consistent suction since they draw power directly from an outlet. This makes them excellent for deep cleaning carpets, mats, and pet hair. Cordless vacuums, powered by batteries, have improved a lot in recent years, but they can still struggle with thick carpets or stubborn dirt. In our tests, the wired vacuum picked up more debris on the first pass, while the cordless needed multiple passes to get the same result. So if maximum cleaning power is your priority, wired vacuums clearly have an edge. Next, let's talk convenience and portability. Cordless vacuums are unbeatable here. No cords to untangle, no outlets required, and you can easily reach tight corners, under seats, and even the trunk. They're lightweight, easy to store, and perfect for quick touch-ups. Wired vacuums, while powerful, can be restrictive. You're limited by cord length, and moving around seats can be tricky. So if you value ease of use and flexibility, cordless models are the way to go, especially for daily cleaning and small messes. Runtime and continuous use. One downside of cordless vacuums is battery life. Most last between 15 to 30 minutes per charge, which is usually fine for quick cleanups, but can be limiting for larger vehicles. Wired vacuums don't have this issue. You can clean your entire car continuously without worrying about running out of power. So if you regularly do deep cleans or have a big SUV, a wired vacuum is more reliable. For quick touch-ups or short commutes, cordless is convenient, but for extended cleaning sessions, wired vacuums win hands down. So, which should you choose? If you want maximum power and deep cleaning, go wired. If you prefer portability, convenience, and quick touch-ups, cordless is your best bet. Many car owners keep both on hand, cordless for everyday messes, wired for heavy-duty cleaning. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, and comment below to share your favorite car vacuum and cleaning tips.